Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here, as you can see, we have spatial audio, but firstly, you cannot find it in the Apple settings. And the second one, not all Android phones have this feature, at least in the settings also. So you may have it. Now, to enable it, just click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty color. As you can see, right now we have colorful background, so it means that it's enabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.